Hi everybody, and welcome to Saturday afternoon and our 16th day together on our 40-day journey to awesome. And we're going to continue talking about forgiveness today and for the next few installments and a few episodes as we kind of ramp up our forgiveness game. Want to make sure we're still doing our daily gratitude practice, really starting to be immersed in our meditation practice. And now, yesterday we talked about forgiveness. Now, I got to tell you, I'll start this way. I had a couple of things to talk about, but I'll start this way. Forgiveness and letting go is hard. There is just no way around that. This is not easy lifting. It is not, flip the light switch and I'm done with this. And some are. Some you can get rid of really, really easy. Some are much, much tougher. But that doesn't make any of it unnecessary. Over the last week, I've had the luxury to deal with and work with a couple of folks that are really carrying around a lot of unforgiven and clung to things that are really holding them down. I likened it, when I talked to them, like rocks in a basket. Some of them are big rocks and some of them are pebbles, but the bottom line is you got to empty that. And until you empty that, you can't move the emotional composition that drives your beliefs and drives your behavior and drives your attitude. You just can't. It's weighting that down into that negative side. Just as bad as any fears are, so are those clung to pieces that so many people carry around with them. So, and I got to tell you, I had a few of my own. I had a simple one, and I had a pretty complex one that I kind of thought I was done with, and it kind of reared itself back up. So, you know what? It's just a process. And in order to make sure that your emotional composition is well managed and taken care of, you got to deal with this forgiveness piece. Here's what I'd like you to do today. I'd like you to note somewhere between 1 and 3 things. They can be as simple and small as you absolutely can. I mean, it can be very simple stuff. I'd like you to note between 1 and 3 things that you're going to forgive someone for. Then right underneath that, I'd like you to note the date certain. Not today, maybe tomorrow, as long as you got time to process it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe first of the week, that you're going to grant that forgiveness, let that go, and make the solemn promise that that will never come in again into influencing that interaction, influencing how you react in that situation. But I want you to write down a promised date certain. That is really important for us because we're going to execute on that after we make that note. I'd also encourage you, as you blow out in the start of your meditation practice, as you blow out some pieces, I'd like you to think about maybe blowing out some of those smaller pieces that you're clinging on to, and things that you can let go of and forgive relatively easy. That's part of the negative that you blow out. Find a few of those to blow out as you work through your meditation. Guys, I hope you have a terrific rest of your Saturday, and I will be back with you on our 17th day together as we continue to talk about forgiveness and the power that forgiveness has, that incredibly freeing power that forgiveness has.